Child. Order in the court, another messy coming up. Okay, this happens in these CPS cases, and you got to watch these helpers. Okay. What if a CPS caseworker personally knows your abusive ex's new wife and was treating you unfairly? It does happen. Okay? It's a complaint for that ass, too. I just spoke about that with the officer and the prosecuting attorney. Baby, with people that have CPS cases, these dirty ass CPS workers, you want to file a complaint. Nonetheless, let me go ahead and give my disclaimer. None of this is legal advice. I know I got started a little early, but I'm tired of hearing about the dirty folks. Okay, and it happens a lot with CPS. Don't take what I say as legal advice because this may or may not work for you. You already know you are welcome to be in my court. This is my show, Order in the Court, where you write me. I bring to the court of my public opinion, and I let you know what's up. Okay, let's get it started. My case is closed as no evidence of neglect was found. However, this caseworker disrupted our lives and gave unnecessary treatment. She was very rude and she wasn't leaving until I let her in. So I did. Bitch would have to get away from my door. Anyways, bitch would have to leave. Okay, trespass wanted, bitch. Okay, she asked my oldest, who was 15, if he had raped anyone right off the bat. No accusations of any abuse or anything were made. Accusations were medical neglect and physical neglect. That question seemed crazy. After she was done, she told me my son was very loyal, as if he were lying for me. She tried to deem me abusive because the wife claimed she heard me say awful things to my daughter, which didn't happen. It was impossible as I hadn't met her and she had never had my daughter's number. Caseworker told their dad to withdraw and change schools. No protective order was placed. He told the school I was abusive and abandoned my kids, which isn't true. I was told to take time to get better because I was sick and going through a breakdown. Bitch, you abandoning kids. Anyways, bitch, you. But the wife called and witnesses heard her say, "Stop calling and to stop threatening to kill myself and do it already." Bitch, you threatening to kill yourself and the children are seeing you on the other side of seeing you. What the fuck is wrong? And the bitch told you to do it already. You should have slapped her, baby. You should have said none of that shit. Just joking. I don't advocate violence. Anyways. Caseworker excused it and victim blamed me for staying with my ex for 10 years. She was removed, but the wife later said she knew her. Baby, if the child was removed. Oh, you said the CPS worker was removed. With the CPS worker is gone, then nothing from the time that she was gone and on had anything to do with you. And what happens is that the CPS worker is not removed. The first person you meet is an investigator, and their job is to try to make some shit out of nothing, and so that's what they be up there doing. Okay? But ma'am, I don't like claims of you saying that you were going to kill yourself and then saying that you did not abandon your children, but you had to take some time to get better. Seems to me like your ass left your children. Let's not sugarcoat shit. You got to take time to get better, bitch. The children don't stop eating, sleeping, breathing, and needing care. 24/7. So, bitch, if you're not picking them up from school because you on a break, who the fuck supposed to do it? I guess they was doing it. So, I mean, they have a little bit of an understanding to say that. And then you snapping out at people, y'all, that go through the mental health crisis. And y'all know, y'all be having these nervous breakdown and anxiety attacks. And y'all go off on people and shit. Y'all like to do that. Clients like to do. I will make your ass get mental health. I sure will. You be getting some mental health therapy. You won't be coming in here making me be Ayanla. Only when I want to am I Ayanla. Okay? So I let people know sometimes you need to go see a therapist. And somebody should have let you know that you need to go see a therapist before you had the nerve to abandon the child. Because that's what the hell I'm going to find you did. I'm making a find and you abandoned the children. And then you did yell some crazy shit at the children. You did. And let me tell you why you did. Girl, you just said you was going to kill yourself. If you don't give a damn about yourself, you sure can't care about these kids and don't even know what the hell is coming out the tip of your tongue from day to day. I'm going to order you to some mental health therapy. I want you getting significant mental health treatment. I need you seeing a psychiatrist and a therapist, and I need them working together, knocking your ass from left to right. Bitch, I want you on medicine if that's what it takes, okay? Because you need to be grounded, okay, with your feet on the ground, not up in the air, acting crazy, flailing your arms around and having a damn spaz attack. You have children that have to be raised, and they cannot raise themselves, and you cannot get mad when you decide to wake up from your nervous attack at the other side that has been chipping in and picking things up and carrying on where you left off because now you good again. Because, bitch, you might be bad again in a couple of weeks. So if you know nothing was found, thank God nothing was found. But girl, don't you ever repeat that you had told the baby mom, the new wife, that you was gonna kill yourself, and the bitch told you to hurry up and do it already. You're trying to make me mad at her, but bitch, that's a boomerang. I'm mad at you. Cause how in the hell you know damn well you said you was gonna kill yourself if the bitch told you hurry up and do it already. Don't go ordering that in nobody else's court. It's okay here for order in the court, but you ain't gonna take that and take it to the real court. Cause baby, you gonna be walking out there with a full-blown psychosocial assessment at your county mental health office if you walk in there with that. And y'all, don't be abandoning kids and then deciding you're gonna get better. It's just like being a damn crackhead. You can't never not be the children's parents. Call your mama, get a little break over the summertime, get you a little break over the weekend, you know, something like that. But just to decide that you're going to throw the towel in and then send the kids over with somebody else or let somebody else pick them up while you spaz the hell out and then you want to go pick these kids up again. These kids is not crazy. They don't got time for you to do that shit to them again. And it don't look like your child is really trying to come back to you. You're going to have to take this to court. Next case, because I done ruled against you. I done determined the child needs to stay where he or she is for the moment, and I done ruled against you. So you're going to have to take it to the real court, because you ain't winning over here. You lost. I'm sorry. You don't threaten to kill yourself in front of children, and you don't tell your doggone your husband's new wife that you want to do it either. Because, baby, you ain't going to get, the bitch going to tell you to jump. Why would you go talk to her? Then she gonna talk and laugh at him and talk about how crazy your ass is. Then you don't do nothing but give him an excuse to talk about how he been, disappointed for years dealing with your shit. You making him look good and you look crazy. Girl, bye. Leave the child where it is, especially if you ain't got no child support that you paying. I ain't heard that.
Sitting here behind these walls, think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.